Hello students of 9th standard. We have started the lesson number 9, environmental management, from your science section B section. Then see what does today we are going to see the new points here. The first one is nothing but the meteorology. See here, the science that studies the interrelationship between the various components, like you can say air, natural cycles, geological movements of the earth and climate is called as a meteorology. That means meteorology is nothing but whatever the changes that are going on the earth or that are happening onto the earth, which are the, you can say, changes. The changes may be in air or natural cycles, changes may be there, geological movements may be there of the earth, or you can say the climate also, the changes in the climate also. These together we are calling it as a meteorology. Meteorology includes the study of storms. It includes the study of the storms, then clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning. So meteorology studies, what it studies? It studies the various aspects of the, you can say, storms, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning. Depending upon the study of the such factors, weather forecasts are made. Whatever the weather forecast we are hearing into the bulletin, or you can say into the news, they are due to the, you can say, study of the meteorological department. Then see, they are useful to common people. These forecasts are useful to common people, or you can say farmers, the fishermen, then the aviation services, transports, water transports and various other organizations have a very important use of all this, you can say, meteorological department. The next comes India Meteorological Department. See, in India also there is a meteorological department. The Indian Meteorological Department was formed by, you can say, British in 1875 at Simla. Its head office is at Pune. Whenever you see, its head office is at Pune, and regional offices are at, you can say, Mumbai or Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur, and you can say Delhi. Then see, maps are prepared every day. What is the duty of this meteorological department? They are preparing the maps every day, which indicates the daily prediction about the, you can say, climate, or you can say about the weather. Such maps are prepared and published twice in every 24 hours. See, whenever these maps are drawn by the meteorological department, they are, you can say, published twice in a 24 hours. In the institute, research goes on continuously on various aspects, like instrument for climate readings. There is an instrument for the climate readings. Then again see predictions about the climate made using the radar. Radar is one of the instruments which is used to see the climatic condition. Then predictions are there about the climate related to the seismology, that means which is related to the earthquake also. Predictions regarding the rainfall which are made by the satellites, and also the air pollution. So these are the, you can say, various aspects which are come to be known by the, you can say, meteorological department. In Indian Meteorological Department, see, the Indian Meteorological Department provides important information regarding the weather, climatic condition and other departments like aviation, then again say shipping, agriculture, irrigation. So this department is not only seeing the weather, or you can say climatic condition, but other predictions are also given to the department, like you can say shipping or aviation, or you can say agriculture, irrigation. All these departments are given the, you can say, instructions. Then also marine Oil exploration is also given some of the predictions about the, you can say, climate and weather. The predictions regarding the, you can say, calamities like dust storm. There are various types of calamities that are nothing but, see, dust storm, sandstorm is there, heavy rainfall is there, hot and cold waves are there, tsunamis are there. All these are, you can say, known by this department, and to the various organizations, or you can say to the common people, this information is given as early as possible. For this purpose, India has launched several satellites. Whenever you see that India has launched several satellites, and on this satellite they are getting the information, and through this information they are awareing the, you can say, common people and telling them that what is the, you can say, forecast of the weather or climate, or what are the calamities that are going to come. Then see, observatories at several locations are doing excellent work in analysis of the information received from the satellite. Satellite is only one instrument who is sending the, you can say, maps or early information about the climate, or you can say weather condition, and according to the prediction of the satellites, or you can say according to the study of the satellite, such types of, you can say, information is given to the common people, or you can say the organizations. Then see, monsoon model and climatic prediction. In the, you can say, departments, there is a, you can say, one of the models are there. These models are doing the climatic, you can say, prediction. Tradition of forecasting the monsoon season in India is older than 100 years. Before 100 years, this procedure has been introduced. Then see, after famine of 1877, H.F. Blandford, the founder of IMD, had made such a prediction for the first time, taking the snowfall in Himalayas as per parameters of the prediction. That see, what does this tells us? That all this information, or you can say tradition of forecasting about the, you can say, weather and climate was made before 100 years. But after the famine of 1877, there was one, you can say, founder, member of a Indian Meteorological Department. His name was H.F. Blandford. What he did? He did the first prediction about the snowfall of the Himalayas. Then see, in the decade of the 1930s, the director of IMD, Sir Gilbert Walker, had underlined the relationship between the worldwide climatic factors and the Indian monsoon. See, there was one another, you can say, member whose name was Gilbert Walker. What he did? He did the predictions. Seeing the, you can say, before climatic conditions, he did the predictions about the monsoon. How the monsoon is going to arrive into the India. Or he said the relationship between the, you can say, climate and weather. Then see, regarding the nature of the monsoon. With the initiative of the Dr. Vasantrao Govarikar in the decade of 1990s, a monsoon model based upon 16 worldwide climatic parameters were developed. There was one another man whose name was Dr. Vasant Govarikar, and in 1990s he has prepared the various models by seeing the parameters of the, you can say, by studying the worldwide climatic parameters, and he developed the, you can say, models which were called as a monsoon models. These models was in use from 1990 to 2002. See, which were the models? There were three types of models. One was nothing but a mathematical model, second was holistical model, third was, you can say, statistical model.